Hello everyone, let me show you my charms, the ones which I make. Okay, see, these are all creatures from the forest. They all have names, different names. So you can get like this single piece with these acrylic beads, like this single piece. We have so many characters. This one has a banana and an orange and an apple. Banana and an orange in her hand. Then we have this one. This little different. Comes with a long chain. There are two donuts here on the side and alphabet beads, and there is a bow also here. So this is then another one. These are all charms with different creatures, the characters. So this is another one. These are all made in cold porcelain clay, okay, handmade. Now this what I'm showing here is an order which I have been given by someone in the UK for 100 pieces. That's why I'm making mixed pieces here, but they will also be available for anybody who wants them. Another thing I want to say here is has nothing to do with magic, to be honest. This is my hobby. This is something which I recently fell in love with and started making. After seeing a lot of clay artists, I wanted to make myself also, so I started making, and now I have so many characters. See this one, it's a little lady, and this is a little different. This has 3 strings of charms. There is an emoji here. See this one, and there are acrylic beads. Now I will show you my favorite one. This is my favorite one. See this one with these kind of beads, and also there is a long chain with that. This is the long chain. So now I will just explain a little bit about the prices here. In case anybody is interested, you can buy from me. Only thing, it takes 20 days to complete, 15 to 20 days to complete and send to you, because each piece takes 10 days. You can say 7 to 10 days to dry, because this is made in cold porcelain clay. Okay, so it takes 10 days to dry. Then there is the procedure of glazing it, giving it the shine, and again drying it again, and then assembling it with the other beads and all that. So it takes actually it takes around 15 to 20 days to send one if you order. Now we have like this without the characters. I have like this also without the characters. That means there is no character here, no like this kind of character, just the beads. This one is only 150 rupees. But when the creatures come, when the characters come, then I will charge accordingly, because this is handmade stuff and a lot of clay artists are making it. And according to the normal rates, this one piece, like this one piece, will become 399 only for this. So now I am giving, everybody is giving only this part with the ring, but I am giving this with a small chain like this. I am giving like this for 399. Okay, now if you don't want this and only want this, then you will get this for 150. Now as the character becomes more and more complicated or more and more details are there, then the prices will also increase accordingly. Now at the moment I have an offer. See, like this. See, like this one. Look at this one. This has a tulip here and has a flower on her head. Okay. There are other characters also which are still drying, so I cannot show everything now. Only what are dried I am showing here. Now I have an offer here, which is, if you buy one like this for $3.99, this one, then I will give you one free premium string free, this one. So this one will be free. Okay, just don't look at my nails or my hands. They're not dirt, they are actually burnt and all. That's why my hands are looking like that. So this one, let me keep this aside. So this one you will get free if you buy one like this. So what is the benefit is that this you can hang on your phone, this you can hang on your bag, and this you can hang on your phone. So it comes in 2 pieces. So only $3.99. There is no shipping fee. Shipping is free in India. Now otherwise you get like this as a let me show you, like this. See, this one you can hang either on your phone or on your bag. This one, see the lady here, this is one's flower with stones, like that. Each one is different, only the characters are the same. If you look at my website, you will see the names of the characters. So only the characters are different. I mean, only the characters are the same. The other things, the accessories which will be added are all different. See the banana. Now look at this one. These are donuts, okay? And like this. This also you will get for 200 rupees. This is long. Only one piece. Okay? Like that. Like that, different pieces I have here. So if you are interested, please do connect with me on WhatsApp. I'm always creating things, but this time it is really something not magical, but with so much love and so much passion. So if you are interested, you can put this on your children's bags, school bags. Actually, the person who is buying from me from the UK is buying it for his daughter's friends in his daughter's school, for their school bags. So that is why I'm making so many pieces. Now I am almost completed 80 pieces. In my next video, I will show each and every character. So now you have seen a few characters. If anybody is interested, please do connect with me. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications of all my uploads. Thank you once again.